You already wrote the material, stop retyping it into a course builder one lesson at a time. Hand your AI the document and then get a draft LifterLMS course back. Here's the result. A draft course built from my host handbook. Modules and lessons already in order. Open a lesson and you can see the handbook passage lightly edited into teaching prose, not empty shells. This is the free WPVibe cookbook recipe. Intermediate content work once LifterLMS is on your connected site. Paste the prompt with your document. The AI proposes an outline first and waits for approved before it creates anything. I drop that into my AI. It reads the doc, builds the skeleton, and fills each lesson from my own material. Back in WordPress, the course and every lesson are still drafts, AI drafts. You approve, then publish when the edit pass is done. Grab the full prompt free in the WPVibe cookbook, run it on your connected site, and subscribe for more WordPress AI recipes.